बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn maths basics. In maths basics, we will see scientific notation series के 6 multiplication of scientific notation manual calculation for MDCAT aspirants. My dear MDCAT aspirants, I know in your MDCAT test you will be not allowed to use calculator. That's why I will teach you how to do manual calculation. For example, see this question and see the steps. When you will not follow the steps, you cannot solve it. First step, multiply. Take common, add power, set decimal at standard position if needed. Now first multiply. We needed to do again rough work. Rough work. This part and this part we will write down in rough work. 2.3, 3.2. Multiply. Sign will become 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 4. Multiply sign. 3 3 the 9, 3 2 the 6. Make a line. 6 as it is, 13, 3 as it is, 1, 6 1 plus 7. Before point, count how many numbers are there. 1 2, 1 2, point will become here. This is our answer. 7.36 is our answer. Now third, add powers. Multiply by into. Now 2 plus 6. Now add powers doing 7.3. 6 into 10 raised to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Simple. Now set decimal at standard position if needed. We need it? No, we do not need it. That's why the point is her standard position. That's why it is our answer. No subscribe, no like, only share. Now it is our answer. No like, no subscribe, only share.